Look at them little birds. Look, it's like a nature reserve.
Just getting on with their
Welcome to Jaywick, ladies and gentlemen. And Jaywick is such a different place when you come down to the waterline. When you come down to where the sea touches the sand and the sand touches the sea. Here, can you hold him for a second? I can just zip in on these birds. Cheers. They can't see these birds, look.
There's 3 little birds.
There you go. See how they're walking away from us? And it's just lovely to walk along with them, isn't it? Look at them how they fly. They're lovely. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Why don't you come down to the Bay of Jaywick and walk along with 3 little birds? We just have, you virtually have, and now there's more little birds. So shine on. There's more little birds to walk along with. Wonderful, walking along this beach with these little birds. It's a forever feeling. Beautiful Scott, beautiful Dylan, beautiful Jaywick. Beautiful walking along with 3 birds here in Jaywick. You virtually just did that. Shine on.